Let's go! What is up, everybody? That Blue Vet here. And I am just kidding. Making one of these t-shirts does not make you a douchebag, okay? If you want to show off your gains, go ahead and feel free to, you know? I don't know why people think, oh, automatically, yeah, one of these t-shirts, you look like a douchebag. Nope. What light is better, this one or this one? Probably this one, huh? Natural light. So yeah, pretty much I picked up a good amount of shirts at like Goodwill. You know, I picked them up for like $3 each. This one's actually from Goodwill, and I'm gonna be making this one into a muscle t-shirt. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. So this is the way I have been doing it for quite some time, a couple of years now. I don't need no measurements, no markers, nothing, just a pair of scissors and a shirt. And I like to measure with my hands. So if you're a skinny person, you have, you know, no love handles, you could go as low as you want. You want to show your abs, your obliques, all that. You could go as low as you want. But for people like me, you know, I have a little bit of love handle. I don't like people looking at them. I'm gonna go a bit higher, so like up to the lap right here, and I measure with my hands. So see right here, I'm gonna snip right there, make a little marking. Same here, about right there. Okay, a little snip. And I like to show a lot of traps, so I'm gonna make this about an inch. An inch is about right there, and an inch right here. But if you want to cover the trap, if you want, I don't know who would want to, you know, go a little bit wider and just measure with your hands. So, let's get cutting. All right, well, we're just gonna go straight up like that. If you go too much, if you try to make your own little loop, you'll get a lot of nipples showing. You don't want your nipples to show. That's a little weird. I see guys in the gym working out, I'm just like, fuck. So we're gonna go closer this way. Like I said, nobody wants to see your nipples. Alright, it might look a little ratchet right now, but we're about to fix that right now. All you really have to do, see how it looks like that? All rigid and whatever. Grab it, and you pull on it just a bit. Okay? And there you have it. There's your muscle shirt. Let's try this on, see how this bad boy looks. And there we have it. Check this muscle shirt out. You know, not too low to where it shows that love handles. You know, it just shows the arms, traps, back. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Oh, one more thing. I have a gym that I'm building in my backyard. Let's go take a look at that.
Guys, so like I said, this video is gonna be coming out pretty soon. I had a lot of trouble with FedEx delivery guys. But yeah, so far I have a 20-pound kettlebell, 50. I got 2 of these plates, paid quite a lot for that. You'll see in the video coming up next. But yeah, look at this.
Yeah, that video is gonna come out soon. That's pretty much it for today. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.